Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. I am on an opening marathon of boxes. As you can see, got a little pile here, got a little pile over here. But right now, the subscription box that I'm going to be opening for you guys in this video is the Test Tube box by New Beauty. It is a quarterly box. You can prepay for the entire year. If you do that, it is $206. There is free shipping. If you just want to pay quarter by quarter, it is $59 a quarter with free shipping. And unfortunately, the box only ships in the continental US. But the box has been around, oh my goodness, maybe 15 years at least, I would say. So eventually I would think they got to get around to shipping outside the US. However, I don't know. Now with all the tariffs and customs, that probably just went more difficult. So I don't know. I'm digressing, but let's get back to the box. So I just opened it. Now, when they first started sending it, it was a test tube size, or it was a cylindrical, which I really liked. So I don't like that they've moved away from that, but oh well. So this is our fall box, and it's jam-packed with must-have beauty products you are destined to fall for. Let's see what's in here, you guys. All right. Where to start? I'm going to start here at the top. So we got from April Skin a carotene pore clay mask. It's deep pore cleansing, 3.52 ounces. It looks like it is not a product from, it's made in Korea. So it's a Korean product. And this is lot number and expiry date indicated separately. So I'm assuming that's what this means. Yeah, assuming those numbers at the bottom, I'm assuming that that's what those means is the expiration. If that is true, it looks like it's April 23rd of 2026. Let's open the box. Okay, and there we go. So a clay mask. Next, we have, from the same company, also a carotene IPMP clearing solution, 24 hours. It has BH plus P or BHA plus PHA, 2%, zinc, niacinamide. It says IPMP 0.1%. I don't know what IPMP is. It is 0.67 fluid ounces, so it's 20 mil. And it is a fast-acting beta carotene IPMP infused clearing solution. Okay. Let's open it up. So it is sealed. It does have an expiration. It looks like it is September 11th of 2027. So let's open this up. There we go, you guys. So I'm making an assumption that if it's a clearing solution, do you guys think that's like for acne or and breakouts? That's kind of like what I'm leaning towards. All right, next item. Ooh, the lid was open, but let's see if it still has, but it's got that on it. So it's got the seal. All right. Philip B. It's Anti-Flake Relief Shampoo Light. Scalp Savior for dry, itchy scalps. Okay. All right. That's interesting, isn't it? It's interesting. I'm sure it probably feels good. Okay. Let's keep going. Okay, so we have Wrinkle Corrector Age Reset Serum, New Volants. The lid was on, a little crooked. I'm gonna smell this. Doesn't really have any scent to it. Oh, I'm showing you the wrong side. There we go. Okay. So far, I'm not too overly excited about this quarter, but let's keep going. There's still more items in the box. And I mean, you get so many items, the values here. This is a liquid balm lip treatment. It's a Pout Hero gingerbread bigger than beauty skincare. Okay, let's see here. It's sulfate and paraben free, synthetic fragrance free. I wonder why it says gingerbread. It's powered by lip filler technology and effective botanical extracts. This ultra nourishing advanced liquid lip treatment is a moisturizing treat in every swipe. Now in gingerbread flavor, inspired by cozy and familiar holiday favorites. Okay, let's see here. Oh, and when you open the inside, that tip right there, it said, Carissa's pro tip, use before bed for a festive overnight lip mask. Ooh, it's fancy looking. Look at that. And I do like that kind of like brush. Smell. Let's try it. Okay. Very, very, very light gingerbread. Very light. Now, it's starting to get a little bit more gingerbread in my mouth, but it's not super strong. Okay. By New Color, it is Lash and Brow Serum. It's 5 mils. And I want to see what this looks like here. Oh, so we got a thicker. Is that a brush? Yes. So it's a thicker brush. Sometimes you get that real thin, but that's probably, well, yeah. It does say lash. I like the thicker for my eyebrows, but I would think you'd want the thinner for your lash. What do I know? Oh, and we actually got a direction card for this. So it says, after cleansing and drying the application area, apply a thin layer of serum to the root of your eyebrows and along the root of your upper and lower lash line. Use daily for both morning and evening. The root of your eyebrows, it goes on your eyebrows, it goes on the roots, right? Or I guess you have to put enough to go down. I guess some people have thicker eyebrows than others. Yeah, okay. Okay, so that's the instructions for there. After this, we have 2 more items. So this is Stripes Resting Clean Face. It is Ecotine Nourishing and Calming Face Wash. And it is a huge bottle, you guys. 3.7 fluid ounces. Let's open this. Oh. Sorry, a little pamphlet fell out here with it. Stripes Resting Clean Face. So, let's see. Apply 1 to 2 pumps of product onto damp skin and gently massage. Rinse thoroughly. Use only as directed. For external use, only avoid direct contact with the eyes. So this is a cute little bottle, isn't it? And it is that type of pump. I like that. All right, now we got by Loops. It's a weekly reset regenerating mask. There is 1 hydrogel eye mask set. Brighten, hydrate, nourish, and help reduce wrinkles. So I see these masks as like more of just some relaxation, because you can't get much out of just one-time use of a mask. All right, last but not least, well, it's not last, let's just say that. We have an Unbrush Neon Untangle, Unknot, Undo Pink Burst. So we got our hairbrush. Let's see what is so fancy. Unlike any brush you've used before, the perfect blend of 105 dual length bristles combined with an ultra light high performance handle. The unbrush gently yet thoroughly extracts knots and tangles from even the most unruly hair painlessly and effortlessly. Unbrush your knots away today. Well, let's check the brush out. All right, what's the best way to get in this? All right, super duper lightweight, you guys. Super duper lightweight. There's all the bristles. Wonder if you counted them, if there's really 105, which I guess, you know, little hair. So there's 5, 6. Okay, I'll trust you. So there's your brush. Now we're coming to our last item. It's one of my favorite things in this beauty subscription box. And I will say, when I canceled the box previously, this is what I missed, is the new beauty magazine that comes with it. Now, sometimes I find the items that they've given us in the magazine, and sometimes, well, I never find all of them, but sometimes I find some. So the magazine goes through all different types of beauty items. So you can see there's items. Sometimes they even do like different types of doctors. Look at all those items. So I love looking through this magazine. Oh yeah, and here's like the welcome to expert doctors. So this is the top 10, let's see here, the top doctors. It's the summer 2025 guide. And I thought last time it was the top doctors in your area. I thought. I'm thinking, yeah, because Michigan. Yes. So it's the top doctors in your area. You know, honestly, I would have I liked it before when they gave us the top doctors throughout the US. I like that better. So there you go. So this is they're calling it the summer. They're calling it the summer fall 2025 new beauty box. So what's my thoughts on this? It's $59. I think I prepaid for the entire year. So that means I paid I paid $206, divide that by 4. So is the value here? It is. I am anxious to try this. I like this. I like the eye. I will use this on my brows. I will not use this on my eyes. I don't know anything about this product, but I'll use it. What am I not too thrilled about? The clay mask, the pore clay mask, and this clearing solution, but I do know whom I can give that to. And you never know, this, I don't have flakes, but this might actually feel good on my scalp for one of those days that I'm just like pampering myself. So am I happy? Yeah, I'm happy. Am I jumping for joy? No, I don't overly excited about the stuff, but am I happy? Do I think the value's here? 100%. So, okay, well, that wraps us up for another unboxing. And until we spend time together, hope you guys take care.